Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2020, about 9 a.m. This is the Seletar, Simpang, Kiri river near to Yio Chu Kang Crescent. The river is quite full and there are beautiful reflections. You can hear the birds singing, chirping. One of them is the kingfisher, the kiki sound, and the crow is behind me, making the cawing sound. Hear the sound of kingfisher, kiki. Although I don't know where he is, somewhere up the trees. This is part of a canal as well. There is nothing as touristy as some of these rivers and dams in the USA. This is just a calm, narrow river draining to the sea in north of Singapore, Yio Chu Kang, and I'm just videoing it to show the serenity of the morning on a Tuesday morning, about 9. Not much of a forest to look at, but this is it. One of those areas Singaporeans will not come or have time to come unless they really live around here and enjoy nature. Predominant bird is still the myna. Shows flexibility. They can eat even garbage, whereas the other birds are more pedigree. So this is overall a video of the Seletar Simpang Kiri river to document it, as there will be developments here. Maybe 5 years later, this Yio Chu Kang Crescent Road will be a very busy road, and at the moment this one on a Tuesday morning is relatively quiet, being a bypass for the main Lentor Avenue which goes to town. But there is some development going on, as you can see, and I'm sure 5 years from now you won't see any of this secondary forest and the Seletar bus depot in the background. I shall stop now and say goodbye to the birds. Yellow butterflies predominate, and there is the morning glory, flowers, and basically there's not much to see, but you can hear the birds and see the blue skies, unpolluted, clean air, and just simply peaceful and serene here. I shall stop now. Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2020, 9 a.m. Yio Chu Kang Crescent, Singapore.